Hello students, in last class we have discussed exercises question from chapter fiction and we have completed question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now today we will start question number 5. So first read the question. Question 5 is, you spill a bucket of soapy water on a marble floor accidentally. Would it make it easier or more difficult for you to walk on the floor? So, as you know, what is friction? Friction opposes the moving the object. When a object is moving, so friction opposes the moving object. Like if you are applying a force on this box, so friction will oppose in opposite direction. But it also depend on the surface or any material which affected the two surfaces which is contact to each other. So if soapy water on marble floor, then it is possible to walk on the floor. Friction also the advantage of friction is that it also provide the possibility to walk on the floor. If we walk on the floor, it depends on the friction. So it is possible to walk on the floor because of the friction present between the feet and ground. Because friction present between two surfaces, so when you will walk, so friction present between the feet and the floor, that's why you will walk easily. For walking, we push the ground in a backward direction like this. We push the ground in the backward direction. For walking, we push the ground in the backward direction with our feet. The force of friction pushes it in the forward direction and allows us to walk. So when you walk, suppose when you walk, so you will push the floor in the backward direction, means you are applying the force in the backward direction. That's why friction opposes the force, so friction will apply in forward direction. Understand? But after soapy water on the marble floor, it decreases the friction. Soapy water on the marble floor will decrease the friction. See, if friction is larger, then you cannot easily walk on the floor. But soapy water decreases the friction. That's why the ground, when there is soapy water split on the floor, the force of friction decreases between your feet and the floor. Hence, it becomes difficult to walk on the soapy water. Okay. Now next question. Explain why sportsmen use shoes with spikes. See, when you show any cricket match or any football match, you have seen the spikes, the cricketer having shoes with spikes. So because of the better grip given by spikes while running, because force of friction between shoes and the ground increases with the help of spike. So spike will increase the force of friction between the shoes and the floor. That's why a cricketer easily running on the ground. So spikes is very important in the shoes. Question number 7. Iqbal has to push a lighter box and Seema has to push a similar heavier box on the same floor. Who will have to apply a larger force on why? See, it is very easy to say that larger box on the floor, you required more force. But according to physics, suppose On the surface there are two boxes and surface will be same, property of the surface will be same. Now here Iqbal apply a force and here Seema applies a force. Okay, and Iqbal has pushed a lighter box, so this is a lighter box. Lighter box, and this is heavier box. Surface will be same. See, there is interlocking between the surfaces. We have already discussed interlocking. Like suppose this is first surface and this is second surface. So there is interlocking of the surface due to irregularity of the two surfaces. Interlocking of irregularity, this is the irregularity. Okay, so due to interlocking of the irregularities of the two surfaces in contact, the force of friction arises. So due to interlocking of irregularity of the surface, there are two surface, box and this floor. So force of friction will increase. So heavy object is here, lighter object is placed here, heavy object is placed. So that's why Seema has to apply more force, because friction will increase due to irregularity of the surface. Heavier box and floor, the friction between heavier box and floor will increase. That's why you applied more force to move that object. Now next question, I will write question here. So 7 question we have finished. Now question number 8. Explain why sliding friction is less than static friction. I will write the solution of this question. When irregularities present in the surfaces of two objects in contact, get interlocked with each other friction come into play. The time given in sliding question number 8. The question is, explain why sliding friction is less than static friction. We have already seen that sliding friction is less than static friction. This is the problem. But what is the reason of it? See, when you will slide any object on the floor, so sliding will be easy. So what is the reason? Because again here interlocking, okay, between the objects. Friction having objects having interlocking of the interlocking of the surfaces. And why there is interlocking? Because irregularity. ऑब्जेक्ट्स में जो सरफेसेस हैं उनमें इस तरीके से इरेगुलरिटी होती है जो हमें दिखती नहीं है, ठीक है। सरफेसेस में थोड़ी सी इरेगुलरिटी होती है, वो हमें दिखाई नहीं देती है, और उसमें फिर उन दोनों ऑब्जेक्ट्स उन सरफेसेस में इंटरलॉकिंग हो जाती है जो फ्रिक्शन को ईजियर करता है, जो फ्रिक्शन उसको ईजियर बनाता है। So sliding friction, in sliding friction, interlocking is small. Interlocking is small. That's why interlocking is not so strong. Therefore, less force is required. अगर interlocking कम होगी तो आप उसको easily move कर सकते हो ऑब्जेक्ट को, तो आपको फोर्स जो होगा वो कम लगाना पड़ेगा। दैट्स वाई स्लाइडिंग फ्रिक्शन के अंदर आपको फोर्स कम यूज करना होता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ फ्रिक्शन? नाउ देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एडवांटेजेस। ड्यू टू फ्रिक्शन वी आर एबल टू वॉक। ड्यू टू फ्रिक्शन वी कैन राइट ऑन द पेपर। व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग ऑन द पेपर with your pen, it is due to friction. When you walk on the floor, it is due to friction. Disadvantage, because of friction the tire and soles of shoes wear out. When you will use shoes to walk on the floor, after some time, after some months, shoes will be wear out, the sole of the sole wear out. Like when you drive the car or any vehicles, then tires also wear out. So this is due to friction. Friction produces heat between different parts of the machines. This can damage the machine. See, in machine parts, when machine is working, there will be also friction present between the different parts of the machine. Question number 10. This is last question of today's class. Explain why objects moving in fluids must have special shapes. See, friction not only work on the floor, it will also work on the fluids. जब आप फ्लोर पे वॉक करते हैं तब भी फ्रिक्शन यूज़ होता है। जब आप किसी वाटर में, किसी फ्लूइड में अगर आप बॉडी को मूव कराते हैं या खुद मूव होते हैं तब भी फ्रिक्शन वर्क करता है। बट जब फ्लूइड में किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को मूव हम कराते हैं तो उस ऑब्जेक्ट की कुछ स्पेशल शेप होती है। वाई? बिकॉज व्हेन बॉडी मूव्स थ्रू अ फ्लूइड, देन बॉडी एक्सपीरियंसेस अ opposing force, which is also called drag force. See, friction always oppose the force of motion, oppose the motion, and it will in the opposite direction. Suppose there is a force in this direction, then friction will be in opposite direction. So when you will when a body will move in forward direction in the fluid, so friction in backward direction. So when body moves through a fluid, then body experiences opposing force which is also called drag force. In flood, if body moves, then there is friction which is called drag force in the flood. That depends on the shape of the body, and this drag force will depend on the shape of the body. किस पे डिपेंड करेगा? शेप ऑफ द बॉडी पे. सो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा कि इफ वी वांट टू मिनिमाइज, अगर हमको फ्रिक्शन को मिनिमाइज करना है, फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन को मिनिमाइज करना है, तो हमें बॉडी को, ऑब्जेक्ट को एक स्पेशल शेप देनी होगी. सो अ स्पेशल शेप इज रिक्वायर्ड टू मिनिमाइज द फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन. हेंस इट बिकम्स ईजियर फॉर ए बॉडी टू मूव थ्रू फ्लड. तो ये हमने देख लिया. एक बार फिर से देखते हैं कि फ्लड में ऑब्जेक्ट जब मूव करता है तो उसको एक स्पेशल शेप देना होता है जिससे वो इजीली उसमें क्या कर सके, मूव कर सके. एडवांटेज क्या है फ्रिक्शन के? एडवांटेज हैं कि आप इजीली वॉक कर सकते हो फ्लोर पे, आप इजीली पेपर पे राइट कर सकते हो. डिसएडवांटेज क्या है कि आप अगर वॉक करेंगे तो आफ्टर सम टाइम शूज़, सोल ऑफ शूज़ एंड टायर्स ऑफ व्हीकल्स wear out. Okay, and friction also present in the components of the machines. So due to friction there will be heat between the components, so that is not required, that is not good for the friction. Next, एक चीज़ और यहाँ आज हमने डिस्कस करी कि इंटरलॉकिंग के बारे में हमने डिस्कस किया. इंटरलॉकिंग ऑफ द इरेगुलरिटीज ऑफ द शेप, मतलब जो सरफेस होती हैं उनमें इस तरीके से इरेगुलरिटी होती है जो भी फ्रिक्शन के लिए रिक्वायर्ड है. जितनी ज़्यादा इरेगुलरिटी होगी उतना ज़्यादा उस पर फ्रिक्शन लगेगा. इसीलिए स्लाइडिंग फ्रिक्शन में क्या होता है, जो स्लाइडिंग फ्रिक्शन है वो स्टैटिक से कम होता है, डिक्रीज होता है. वाई? बिकॉज स्लाइडिंग में इंटरलॉकिंग जो होती है उसमें इतना टाइम नहीं मिल पाता है ऑब्जेक्ट को और सरफेस को इंटरलॉकिंग करने का, तो वो स्लाइडिंग क्या होगी, इजीली होगी स्टैटिक से. ठीक है, ये चीज़ें. सो टुडे वी हैव डिस्कस दीज क्वेश्चंस. आई विल प्रोवाइड द PDF ऑफ these questions which you will write in the notebook. So thank you so much for today's class.